Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make these amazing pumpkin crumble muffins. These are delicious and I really recommend you guys try these out. The original recipe link will be in the description along with my Instagram link, so make sure to go follow me over there. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's just get into the video. The first thing you want to do is start by adding your dry ingredients into a medium bowl. And I'm using a food scale for this, but obviously you can just use regular cup measurements for this as well. Once you have your dry ingredients combined, set it aside and we're going to start on our wet ingredients. The first thing you want to start off with is your oil. I'm using grapeseed oil, but any flavorless oil should be fine. Once that's done, you want to add all your other ingredients like your sugars and all of that and mix that to combine. Also, by the way, for the pumpkin, I am using homemade pumpkin, which you guys will see how I make that in an upcoming recipe. So make sure to look out for that. Once it's done, I'll put a link in the description for that, so you guys can watch that if you want to know how to make your own pumpkin puree. But also, obviously, canned pumpkin is perfectly fine, and that will work just the same. Now you're going to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, and you just want to mix this to combine. You want to use a folding method and make sure to scrape all the way to the bottom and make sure there are no pockets of just like flour, because I had some of those. So make sure everything is thoroughly combined and make sure you don't overmix the batter, because that will make your cupcakes turn out dense. Now you want to add these to a lined muffin tin. I just used a 1/4 cup scoop to put these in my muffin tins. You can use whatever you want, but that's what worked easiest for me, so you guys can try that out as well. Now onto the crumble topping. I have all my dry ingredients into this bowl, and then you just want to add your melted butter to this and stir until it forms crumbles. I actually forgot to add this on top, so I had to make another batch. I only did half a batch though of muffins, and this me adding the crumble on is just a new batch of muffins. I just thought that was funny. I literally remembered the last 2 minutes of baking that they were supposed to have a crumb topping, so that was unfortunate, but they still taste good without it, but it's definitely tastes a lot better with the crumb topping on it. Now we're going to go on to making the maple icing. This step is optional. I would just say they add a bit of a sweeter touch than muffins, but I recommend it. Definitely is delicious, so you guys can try this out if you want. It's very simple, just powdered sugar, maple syrup, and milk. I use almond milk in all my recipes in case you're not aware, so any other milk would do though, it doesn't matter. as you can see here, these are the finished muffins. They are beautiful. Now you just want to add your icing on top of these if you decide to make icing for them. And that is it for today's recipe. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe out and how you liked it. But that's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!